everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you all? We are
We are
fine.
fine.
Today we learn
Today we learn
grains name.
grains.
What are these grains? Grains. Okay. Sarali, tell the names. Lentil.
Lentil. Rice.
Good. Green gram. Roasted chana.
Roasted chana.
Gram.
Gram.
Jowar.
Jowar.
Black gram.
Black.
Next. Ritika. Lentil.
Lentil. Rice. Rice. Green gram.
Let her say. Roasted chana.
Roasted chana.
Gram.
Gram.
Jowar.
Jowar.
Black gram.
Black gram.
Very good. Next. Junaid.
Next.
Lentil.
Lentil. Rice.
Green gram.
Green gram.
Roasted chana.
Roasted chana.
Yes. Gram.
Gram.
Jowar.
Jowar.
Black gram.
Black gram.
Shan. Lentil.
Lentil. Rice. Green grammar.
Green grammar, not green gram.
Green gram. Green gram.
Roasted chana.
Roasted chana.
Gram.
Gram.
Jowar.
Jowar.
Black gram. Okay. Lentil.
Lentil.
Rice.
Rice.
Say loudly. Green gram.
Green gram.
Roasted chana.
Roasted chana.
Say. Gram.
Gram.
Jowar.
Jowar.
Black gram.
Black gram.
Rahil. Lentil.
Lentil. Rice.
Green gram.
Green gram.
Roasted chana.
Roasted chana.
Gram.
Gram.
Jowar.
Jowar.
Black gram.
Black gram.
In Hindi, do you know the names? Hindi? Identify the green gram.
Green gram.
Good. Lentil.
Lentil.
Black gram. Roasted chana. Roasted chana. Wrong. Ritika correct. Roasted chana. Ritika correct. Ritika's Shan, that is not roasted chana. That one is the roasted chana. Okay. Next. Gram.
Gram.
Very good. Jowar.
Jowar.
Green gram.
Green gram.
Green gram.
Green gram.
Lentil.
Lentil. Lentil.
Okay. So again we will practice tomorrow. You have to practice at home all this. Ask your parents, mother.